Alright folks, this one's special. Meet this once proud Ford F-Series truck, now reduced to what looks like a farmyard decoration. Rusted panels, a broken tailgate, and an engine that hasn't roared in decades. But today, we're going to bring this American classic back to life. Ready to see some magic? Stick around, because this journey is going to blow your mind. Look at this logo. It used to scream "Built Tough," but now it's more like barely holding together. Time to change that. Step 1. Get this beast into the workshop. It's going to take some elbow grease, a little love, and maybe a miracle or two. Say goodbye to the layers of mud and rust. Beneath all that grime is a story waiting to be told. And here's the heart, or what's left of it. This V8 engine looks like it's been on a 50-year camping trip. Let's see if we can wake it up. The interior. Comfortable if you enjoy sitting on broken springs. Time for a serious upgrade. As we sand away decades of wear and tear, we're not just restoring a truck, we're uncovering a legacy. Boom! Look at that shine. This isn't just red, it's head-turning red. The Ford F-Series is finally looking like the legend it's meant to be. The moment of truth is here. Will this engine roar back to life, or will it remain a relic? Let's find out. Yes, that's the sound of American muscle, reborn and ready to conquer the road. Driving this beauty feels like stepping back in time. Every rumble of the engine, every turn of the wheel, it's a tribute to the hard work and heart that went into this restoration. This Ford F-Series isn't just a truck, it's a piece of history. Restoring it was a challenge, but seeing it back in its prime makes it all worth it. Every rust bucket has the potential to be a masterpiece. If this F-Series can rise from the ashes, so can anything. What should we restore next? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more epic transformations.